how you can install Google Chrome on your laptop. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. So first, open a browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or any browser you have. Now search for Google Chrome in the search bar and press enter. Then make sure you click on the official site that says google.com, and now click the big button that says Download Chrome. The file will start downloading. If you're using Edge, you'll see it at the top right corner. Once it's downloaded, go to your File Explorer and open the Downloads folder. Now find the Chrome setup file and click it. You might see a pop-up from Windows. Just click Yes to continue. After that, Chrome will install by itself once it's done. Chrome will open up on your screen. If you used Chrome before, you may already be logged in. If not, just log in with your Google account, and that's it. That's how you can install Google Chrome on your laptop.